So I'm Jen. I came to first see Michal in the second trimester of my second pregnancy. I was getting quite a lot of discomfort in my shoulders and neck that was just becoming a problem through daytime in terms of comfort levels, but also at night, so affecting my sleep. It wasn't a problem really caused by pregnancy, but the issue was finding someone who was confident enough to treat someone who was pregnant and do what was required to fix that. So I started coming to see Michal and saw him regularly through my pregnancy, and he very much addressed those areas of tension and also then progressed in terms of helping with the things that would help throughout pregnancy. So starting to look at sciatic areas and preparing pelvis and hips, etc. for later in pregnancy and through to delivery.
And how did you find the delivery? How it was maybe easier or harder comparing to your first one?
Compared to my first, it's hard because my first delivery was fine in the sense that it was shorter, but actually probably more uncomfortable.
Mm-hmm.
My second, my baby was quite a lot larger, so actually my labour went on a similar, if not slightly longer period of time, but actually didn't feel worse by nature of the fact it was bigger. So it took slightly longer, but actually was no worse an experience than I think.
And recovered, how it was?
And my recovery was much quicker actually with my second than my first, so I felt much less damaged and affected after my second labour than I did my first labour. And within a few days just felt back to normal and not uncomfortable in the same way I was after my first pregnancy.
And what about now, when we started the sessions?
So I recently came back to have a few more sessions. So after a few months after my son was born, I was getting again a lot of tension in my neck and shoulders, and it was triggering a lot of migraines. So migraines is something I've suffered with probably once every 6 months, once a year in the past. And all of a sudden I had about 8 in a period of 2 weeks. So rapid increase. And obviously very uncomfortable and not something you want to be dealing with. So I came to see Michal and again very much addressed all the tension in my neck that was triggering some of the problem, my shoulders, and also the last couple of sessions working on areas in my stomach and different muscles within there that could be affecting my head as well. And so I've gone from having that spate of 8 migraines in very quick succession to 1 a week at the moment, so it's tailing off and I'm gradually feeling a lot better. So I feel again back to normal. Just hoping the migraines will disappear even more in the next few weeks.
Okay, thank you very much.